So over here, you can see that I have a blank page. So in blank page, you might want to go ahead and start by adding in different sections so that it actually starts looking like a web page. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that add new section is an option. Even if you are using a template, you can go ahead and add in a section as you like as well. So over here, in my case, I simply have a blank page. So I'm simply going to click on add new section over here on the left. Once you do that, you can see that there's different sort of sections that you can bring in, like text section, let's say, for example, that I want to bring in. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the section right here, and that section is added in right here, just like this. So this is the headline text section that you can go ahead and edit. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say, welcome to TutorTube right here, and this is what you have. And I'm going to say, keep on watching and keep on learning. So I can simply go ahead and type this in, let's say, for example. So apart from that, for each of the fields that you bring in, for example, you have an option to add in image and button, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and save to go ahead and add those out. So this is quite different. So you need to go ahead and explore this for the different sections that you actually bring in. Anyways, let's just go ahead and add in another section. So to do that, over here from the left hand side, you can see that add new section is an option. Go ahead and click right here. Then go ahead onto different sections as you like. For example, if you want to add in a grid section, you can select it and click on this. And this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, click on add new section again, and then you can go around onto, let's say, for example, contact right here. You can go ahead and add that section right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and make a complete page right here with different sections as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and add new sections as you need inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.